Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up brand kit assets with Adobe Creative Cloud for consistency. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Adobe Creative Cloud. Sign in with your Adobe account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets panel on the left side. Click on Brand Kit to create a new brand kit. Select Create Brand Kit to initiate the process. Enter a name for your brand kit that reflects your brand identity. Click Continue to proceed. Now, you will see options to upload your logo. Choose Upload Logo and select your logo file from your computer. Ensure the logo meets the recommended file formats and sizes. Once uploaded, you can adjust the logo dimensions if necessary. Next, set your primary brand colors. Click on Add Colors and enter your color codes. You can also use the color picker to choose colors. Add secondary colors to complement your primary palette. Once done, click Save to keep your selections. Now, move on to setting your typography. Click on the Add Fonts option. Choose from the Adobe Fonts library or upload custom fonts. Select the desired font styles for headings, body text, and accents. Ensure that the fonts align with your brand's personality. Now that your typography is set, let's add imagery. Click on Add Images to upload any required brand images. Select high-quality images that reflect your brand style. Organize images into folders if you have many assets. Once your imagery is uploaded, review all your selections. Go through your logo, colors, fonts, and images for consistency. After finalizing, click on Publish to make your brand kit accessible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.